What if you could design entire app layouts in minutes instead of hours? Wireframing tools are revolutionizing how creators and freelancers prototype their ideas, and we're testing the best ones today. Traditional wireframing is time-consuming. Tools now generate layouts from text descriptions, saving freelancers days of work. Whether you're building SaaS products, mobile apps, or websites, these tools accelerate your design workflow dramatically. Let's explore which platforms actually deliver results. UizArt converts sketches and text into clickable prototypes instantly. Wireframer A generates responsive layouts from simple prompts. TensorFlow's design tools create accessibility-first wireframes automatically. Each excels at different use cases. We'll show you side-by-side comparisons and real. Here's how to start. Create an account, describe your project in plain English, select your device type, and let iGenerate options. You'll customize colors, spacing, and components in seconds. Then export as mockups or interactive prototypes. This workflow cuts design time by 60-70% consistently. Be specific with prompts. Describe user flows, not just screens. Use A for initial layouts, then refine with your creative vision. Combine multiple tools, wireframe with A, then prototype in Figma. This hybrid approach gives you speed plus complete control. Which iTool are you trying first? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more iTool reviews.